You're listening to the Valley Current.
It's a different style of life, I would say. The cost of living is just so much lower.
Sure.
They're much clean. I mean, I guess I got disappointed by stuff I was seeing in San Francisco.
Oh, God, what a mess.
I don't get it. I mean, it just seems to be, sort of a really pathetic situation.
Absolutely.
The number.
Well, you're not the only one. You're not the only one to be disgusted with California, right? I mean,
I don't understand what's happening from what might be called an overall management point of view, because it seems like the opposite of management is playing out. I mean, more like mismanagement. Yeah. And I don't know how long that can last, because at some level, you have to sort of wonder.
I think so. So what I wonder, though, is I hope that the real estate still stays up in the Bay Area, which I think. Well,
I'll tell you, I just did a podcast with a real estate guy on this subject, and our conclusion was Google and Facebook and Apple and others are putting so much more infrastructure in. It's hard to imagine that there won't be a continued bubbly market, because they're basically feeding the fire of additional employment, and the employment is going to continue to happen. I mean, that's really the way it looks like when you look at the kind of big picture. And so, to me, I don't think there's anything to worry about. I guess there might be a question of timing on interest rates and the like, but I'm sure your house would sell like in a nanosecond, and you really don't want to sell it because you like being near Stanford, right?
Well, but also, Jack, wait a minute. I like being near my green screen.
Yeah.
I like having it earn. It earned $600,000 last month, right? I mean,
but you could have,
the value went up by that much.
You could have done that from anywhere, right? Realistically.
Yeah, but the problem is But I love the house. The main thing is capital gains. It's death or taxes.
No, you can fix that. There's ways to fix
I know there are ways. No, I love the house. And if we add a new bedroom, bathroom, then we'll turn the house into an old folks home.
Yeah. No, you're set, man. You're set. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, I think that's the way to think about it. You have to get ready for the need for help inside your house. That's the big picture. If you want to,
that's right.
If you want to continue to live in the house.
Exactly. Like, look, we've got a step going up at the front porch. No, we got to redo the front porch. It's going to be a ramp. We're going to be wheelchair ready.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I do. No, I love this place. I don't want to die actually in the house, because that'll hurt the market for the Chinese. But the last minute before I die, roll me out and back, so I didn't actually die in the house, right? But anyway.
Well, what are you doing with the people that are on the payroll? Are they still on the payroll, or are you doing something different with them?
So though they're cut. See, we're all working remote.
Right.
There aren't that many people on the payroll. There are two kind of regulars, but they don't have regular hours at all.
Right.
We just tighten our belts. We've got to get the chancefication. We got to get welcome to the chance age out there, which we've got enough gas in the tank to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, how about DCMA? When they come in for their little bid, those guys spent like $5 million on at risk to try to solve this problem of risk with government contracts. Of course, they got nowhere, right?
Yeah.
So imagine that they were trying to do arithmetic instead of the arithmetic of uncertainty. Then the story would read this way. Well, we spent $5 million on the best pencils we could find. Will you give us a bid on your pencils? I'm not kidding, Jack.
That's good.
That's what it means, right? So I had another meeting with them yesterday. Something's going to happen there. Something's going to happen there. We got deals with people in the Pentagon. We we got potential deals all over the map, and we're going to make it.
Well,
You know, we're gonna make it.
send me a link for how we get a donation to you. Is there a
Sure.
website,
By the
or
way,
send me the link
Yeah,
to that.
I'll do that. I'm just going to take a look, by the way, because we've never done this. People can always donate, but I don't even know.
Well, you guys should have a button that says pay.
I know we
here,
should.
right?
We do somewhere. We do
PayPal.
somewhere. I wonder if I search. Oh, look at that. When I searched, here's a donate button at the bottom.
Really?
I just hit the
Okay.
little.
Send
I hit
me
the
a-
little back. Oh no, wait a minute. Wait. You're not. I didn't. I'm not sharing.
Send me the link to it.
But I'll go in there. I'll click on that. I'll send you that link.
Yeah,
Just a
that'd be good. So what are you doing? Working 16 hours a day these days?
Oh my God. All the time. I'm working or exercising or eating. That's all.
You never
But
get.
I'm loving
you
it.
you
Oh
never
my
get-
God.
You never get
What?
fat. You're always like 160.
Oh no. I don't have a fat gene. I couldn't
Right.
get fat.
Yeah, and you got all your hair too, so you got two things going for you.
Got a lot of hair.
And
Yeah,
all
I
the
need a
brain
haircut.
power, all that IQ is still there.
Yeah.
I sent you some links to look at, Sam, because you are a clear example of someone whose real age is 55.
Wait a minute. You got to get it checked. They have to check your telomeres or whatever the hell they are.
Yeah, that's right. That's Dr. Len Hayflick, who is the pioneer in there.
I know what it is. Wait a minute. It's called your epigenetic age.
Epigenetic profile. Yes.
Have you heard of that?
Yeah, of course. Absolutely.
Yeah.
big
So
part.
there's a lab that'll do this for you. I haven't had it done yet.
Well, you'd probably come up at like 55 years old. And that means you got another 55. You're like halfway. You're halfway there, man.
That's good.
You're
That's good.
halfway
Well,
there.
come on. It's like my Mercedes diesel with 77,000 miles on it, and I'm driving
Oh.
1,000 miles a year. I've
That's-
got that car for the next 200 years. I better stay alive.
Easy. That car will last forever. If you ever decide to sell,
Absolutely.
let me know. I'll buy it from you.
No.
That's
That's
going to
another thing
last
I'm going to die
forever.
in.
That's going to last forever. Hey, Sam, good seeing
All right,
you.
hey,
I got your
Give my
book.
best to Lee.
I got your
give my
book. I'm going
best.
to read it on my Kindle Reader tonight. And I'll send
Fantastic.
some comments about it so that we can have a
Yeah.
discussion at some point.
You bet.
Yeah. You guys should come out. You
I think we'll have to.
plan on it.
We'll find an excuse.
All right, that'd be good. We'll have
Sounds
you.
great.
Take care.
Thanks, Jack.
Talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Tune in next time on the Valley Current.